वक्त की बिग ब्रेकिंग न्यूज है। बेस शिक्षा समायोजन अपडेट को लेकर के माननीय उच्च न्यायालय ने आदेश समायोजन 3 को डबल बेंच में त्रुटिपूर्ण मानते हुए फिर से समायोजन करने का दिया आदेश। अब देखिए क्या समायोजन कब तक होगा, क्या छात्र संख्या 30 अप्रैल 2026 के आधार पर होगा, जानिए विस्तृत आदेश में। ये हाई एट इलाहाबाद स्पेशल अपील 398 ऑफ 2026 State of UP and 5 others versus Saurabh Kumar Singh and 6 others। डबल बेंच का ऑर्डर है कोड नंबर 3। ऑनरेबल सौमित्र दयाल सिंह जस्टिस, ऑनरेबल स्वरूपमा चतुर्वेदी जस्टिस। Heard Sri Ashok Khare, learned senior advocate, assisted by Sri Muhammad Yasin and Sri Prashant Mishra, learned counsel on behalf of the original petitioners, appellant Sri Abhishek Srivastava, learned chief standing counsel for the state respondents, pursuant the last order, learned chief standing counsel for the obtained written instruction copy of the same being made available. Those have been marked as X and retained on record. To cut the controversy short, the direction issued by learned single judge regarding the principle to the applied the redeployment of surplus teachers is primarily contained in para number 135 of the order in present. For ready reference, it reads as below. 135. This court is of opinion the transfer must conform to the applicable service rules and government orders issued by implement of the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. An action contrary 322 legally unsustainable. The following should be kept in mind while passing transfer orders. Maintenance of the prescribed student-teachers ratio is the dominant and overriding factor. Transfer must be based on verified data identifying surplus and deficient school. A rational exercise founded in the consolidated district level data regarding census strength, working strength, and employment enrollment is a mandatory. Absence of such data renders the process arbitrary. Transfer must be justified by genuine administrative necessity and the large interest of students. Courts ordinarily do not interfere unless statutory violation or malified is established as held in Silpi Bose Supra. Transfer cannot be punitive, uh, discriminatory, or whimsical. Judicial interference is permissible only when the order is mediated by malafide of breach of statutory rules as rated of Govardhan Lal Shupra. According, transfer of assistant teachers must be data-driven policy, compliant and guided solely by the administrative efficiency and the educational welfare in the absence of arbitrary malifides or statutory violation, and so transfer don't warrant judicial interference. चौथा नंबर है साथियों, एट प्रेजेंट द corrections correctness of the data being relied by the state authorities to doubted reference has been made to the further order date 13 April 2024 passed by the learned single judge in writ 5194 of 2026 Lokesh Kumar Agrawal versus State of UP and 3 others, calling for personal affidavit of the Principal Secretary Basic Education UP Lucknow. Primarily complaint has been voiced by the original petitioner applicants of the exercise being conducted by the state authorities is opaque, and in case it does not inspire confidence as the data being relied to being drawn from UDAS portal managed by the central government is unreliable. It has been stated by learned Chief Standing Counsel that the state authorities are first trying to ensure that at least two teachers are made available at URI institution at that minimum number of teachers is required to run any school. तो साथियों स्पष्ट हो गया होगा कि इस स्टेंजा में 6 नंबर पैराग्राफ में ये कहा गया है कि 2 टीचर कंपलसरी है किसी भी विद्यालय को चलाने के लिए. At this stage, it was proposed by the court that the exercise be conducted by the state authorities to provide at least 2 teachers at your institution after physical verification of the data hosted on the UDAS portal as on 30 April 2026. The duly verified that alone may form the backbone of the exercise to be conducted by the district level committee constituted under the government order date 14 November 2025 and the chairmanship of district magistrate in the exercise of data available in UDAS portal may remain indicative only. The district level committee may require that data to be verified, certified under joint certification by the principal headmaster of the individual institution and the concerned block education officer, where there may exist any vacancy on the post of principal or headmaster at any institution. That joint certificate may be signed by the person officiating on such post of or the senior most teacher as may be the case. If, however, there is no teacher at any institution, that data may be jointly certified by the concerned block education officer and the district basic education officer. The joint certifications should be following counters sanctioned strength of the teachers where subject teachers have been appointed. Details of the subject being taught by them may be specified subject wise for which they may have been appointed. Working strength of the teachers with name details of individual teachers whenever subject teachers have been appointed. Details may be specified subject wise for which they have been appointed. Date of joining of the individual teachers, student strength and as on 30 April to 2026, name and number of surplus teachers according to the RTE subject wise, if any two who are proposed to be redeployed. The above certificates, once received by the district level committee, may be verified and uploaded on the website of the district concerned, such as prayagraj.nic.in, etc. Is specified to each district. Also, the same may be made available to the individual teachers through the institutions concerned by 6th May 2026. Objections, if any, may be submitted by teachers proposed to be transferred only to the district level committee through offline mode by 13 May 2026. तो साथियों इस प्रकार से दिया गया है कि ये 30 अप्रैल 2026 के नामांकन के आधार पर छात्र के आधार पर ही वापस समायोजन किए जाएंगे. पुट ऑफ ए फ्रेश 22 मई 2026 यानी समायोजन करने के बाद इस केस की सुनवाई पुनः 22 मई 2026 को होगी. द अबव प्रपोजल मेड बाय द कोर्ट हैज़ बीन एक्सेप्टेड बाय द स्टेट एज आल्सो ओरिजिनल पिटिशन अपीलेंट्स एंड प्रोटेक्शन ग्रांटेड अर्लियर टू कंटिन्यू टिल द नेक्स्ट डेट ऑफ लिस्टिंग. ये साथियों 22 अप्रैल 2026 का यह डबल बेंच का कोर्ट ऑर्डर है. जो इसका सार यही है, इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट की डबल बेंच ने समायोजन 3 को त्रुटिपूर्ण मानते हुए फिर से समायोजन करने का ऑर्डर दिया, जो 30 अप्रैल 2026 की छात्र संख्या पर होगा समायोजन. ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण आदेश था साथियों, उन साथियों के लिए जो माननीय उच्च न्यायालय में राहत हेतु गए थे. साथियों इसी प्रकार के अपडेट्स इस चैनल के माध्यम से मिलती रही. नए वीडियो के साथ मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.